Hello, I'm Jennifer Davenport, and in this video I'm going to show you how I took an Amazon Christmas wreath from simple to absolutely elegant, so stay tuned. So I chose this wreath because the greens had different hues and I thought it looked really real. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start fluffing it. The wreath had these red berries attached to it, but they did not look realistic, so I'm going to add these. So to make this wreath look even more realistic, I went outside my store because we have a lot of different plants out there, and I chose 3 different greeneries to add to the wreath, and here's what I chose. This is arborvitae, this is called cryptomeria, and of course I love nandina. All right, I'm going to start adding it to the wreath. You can use hot glue. I had a florist teach me that a few years ago that said yes, you can use hot glue on real flowers and greenery. So I'm going to begin with the arborvitae, and I'm just going to use a drop of hot glue. So just the arborvitae is all I added already, and it already looks amazing. I'm going to go to the next greenery, add it all the way around, and then last, the nandina. Now I'm going to add the nandina. Look how that red and that nandina just adds so much color to this wreath. I want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of our video, and that is Lightspeed. Lightspeed is our point of sale system that we use for our business. Lightspeed gives you the power to manage your inventory like no other system. We always know exactly what is in stock because we can see live quantities and inventory updates. Custom tags and categories keep my products organized and easy to find. When we need to add more stock in the system, Lightspeed's item import tool lets us quickly upload large quantities of products in no time. If you want to learn more about Lightspeed, be sure to check out my video where I talk about getting ready for the holiday season using this platform, or you can click the link in the description box below and you can schedule your own demo for your business. Okay, now back to the video. Now it's time to make the bow for the ribbon. And for the ribbon, I chose wired because of course that is going to help keep your bow much longer. And I chose a plaid, and this has a black and a green in it, and it will offset the red berries that are within the wreath. Now if you want to know how I make a bow, I'll put a link in the description of this video. I'm going to attach the bow to where the battery pack is. 2 reasons I'm going to do that. 1 is because I'll always know where the battery pack is, and 2, the bow will help hide that battery pack. All right, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some bells, and I found these look like antique sheep bells. I just got some simple twine, and I'm just going to add them onto the twine. I'm going to knot them on because I don't want them all clumped in together. Now I'm going to attach it to the underside of the bow. And there you have it, an absolutely beautiful, elegant wreath. Just just by adding a little outdoor greenery. Doesn't cost you any money at all. Let's see how it looks on a door. So didn't that turn out just beautiful? A few little things added made it over the top. So everything I used in this video is from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this video. It'll take you right over to my Amazon storefront. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because 2022 is going to be a super fun year. And hit that bell. It'll tell you when I have a new video out. Everybody, stay safe and stay well. Thank you.